They say the best camera is the one in your pocket, but convenience comes at a cost. Today's slimline smartphones are brilliant as touchscreens and telephones, but try to use them for any serious photography and they become an ergonomic nightmare. The hardware buttons don't function as you think they will, and the software controls never seem to be in the right place. All the finger yoga in the world won't help you take a left-handed selfie. And that is why Just Mobile has created this, the ShutterGrip. It easily connects to pretty much any smartphone out there, case or no case, and connects via Bluetooth to control your camera. Once it's paired, you simply need to press the button and it will automatically connect. And that is where the magic begins. Simple, compatible and adaptable, and with none of the social stigma of a selfie stick, the Just Mobile ShutterGrip is everything smartphone photographers have been waiting for. But we need your support to take this concept into production. So give us your backing, tell your friends, and get ready to shoot.
We dream of effortless connectivity. We crave cutting-edge technology, crafted to perfection, and always one step forward. Smooth and compact, innovative but simple. However, sometimes minor details are overlooked. Yet with this new creation, we've come closer to an ideal. This is Twin, the world's thinnest MacBook charger with integrated Type-C hub, replacing the bulky Mac power adapter and all its dongles. Toyn has two USB ports, two different sized SD and memory card slots, a USB-C port and an HDMI port to display your laptop screen and connect external devices. Its simple and compelling design, inspired by the iconic look, comes in three colors: space gray, silver and rose gold. Toyn's a wireless charger as well for the iPhone, iWatch and AirPods. And there's an optional 10,000 mAh power bank to charge all your gadgets and your laptop simultaneously. Replacing all your computer's gadgets, Toyn is delightfully compact and lightweight. Designed to make your life easier, Toyn is the perfect combination of great features and unbeatable value. Bring your Mac's perfect sidekick to life. Order now, only on Indiegogo.
Have you ever experienced these situations? At the most critical moment,
the game controller dies. Or when you're about to take the perfect picture, the battery for the flash runs out. Or when you are playing with a remote control car, it suddenly stops in the middle of nowhere. At Tenevolts, we believe that battery needs to be more efficient and better cater your needs. That is why we have created Tenevolts, the most advanced rechargeable lithium battery. Tenevolts only takes 2 hours to full charge, whereas nickel-metal hydride rechargeable batteries take around 10 hours. On a single charge, Tenevolts offers a stable performance with more than 12 hours. After 1,000 charge cycles, Tenevolts' usable capacity still stands at 70%, while other brands fall below 50% after 500 cycles. The best part? Tenevolts is the world's first rechargeable lithium battery that offers a consistent power output of 1.5 volts. But words mean nothing without proof, right? Over the course of our 4 years R&D, we've obtained 6 national and world patents and passed many testings. Let the numbers speak by themselves. We're testing the Tenevolts with the Loop Pro for a car racing test. You'll see within 1 hour, Tenevolts reaches 530 cycles, outnumbering Eneloop by 100 cycles. When checking the lap times, Tenevolts achieves a steady times for each lap, a significant difference that shows Tenevolts has a better voltage consistency. We did a flashlight experiment to compare the Tenevolts and Eneloop Pro. Tenevolts is able to provide a constant brightness with its 1.5 consistent output voltage. At Tenevolts, our mission is to bring the best rechargeable lithium batteries to our customers. So give us a chance and support us on Indiegogo today. Let's make dream a reality.
When we don't speak the same language, communication is not easy. Traggle detects the voices in the conversation with its front microphone, recognizing the language and translating it through the earbud. When you're speaking, Traggle recognizes your language through the front mic and plays the translation into the other language through the front speaker, so only one person has to wear the device. Luckily, we've been working on a live translator that will solve all of these problems. Traggle, the global translator. The first hands-free live translator for automatic two-way communication. But how is it different from
been testing the technology, hardware and software, and we're ready to start the process of manufacturing. But we need your help to make it happen. If you are like me and like to travel, learn from other cultures and, more specifically, close the best deals, this is what we made this device for. With your backing, we'll start the production of the devices in Europe and we'll send them to you for the best price we can ever offer. It's time we forget about language and engage in communication.
I'd like to introduce you all to a very exciting and interesting thing. Now, I've put a lot of thought and research into ways of seeing small and delicate things with the naked eye. As you can see, traditional microscopes are big and heavy. They can only be used in certain places. But now, the perfect microscope has been invented. Let me introduce you to the new Rugo microscope. It's very easy to use. You can just mount it on the back of your smartphone. There are no cords and no additional batteries. Since it's a small microscope, you can utilize it anywhere and anytime. Now, let's take a look at this small microscope's amazing performance. As you can see here, what can't be seen with the naked eye can easily be verified with this product. And the image is high resolution compared to other microscopes. Let's take a closer look. It's astonishing how this small microscope can enlarge the target by up to 400 times its original size. Narugo microscope, not only can it be used for research and education, but it can also be utilized in fields that require a microscope, such as work and everyday lives.
The two key factors for producing the high-resolution image are the lens and the lighting. The lens is capable of enlarging the target by up to 400 times its original size. And this lighting technology has also been patented. You can also get video without any additional batteries or cables.
Everyone had an amazing response when I uploaded the videos and images taken by Narugo microscope on SNS. If you simply and easily want the best results anywhere and anytime, Narugo microscope is the answer. I really like my Narugo microscope.
Narugo microscope will be your new eyes. Expand your horizon, change your world. This tiny lens is the only one for expanding your world.